Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays. I hope you guys are having a great day today. Unlike me, I'm under the weather. Hopefully I'll get better soon. Today we'll be making the best Guyanese pepper pot. Let's jump right into this video. So here are the list of the ingredients, and they will be in the description box along with the measurements. Then we're going to pour our Cassareep. That is the dark, rich sauce made from cassava, or you can burn some sugar if you don't have that. Then you're going to go in with your cinnamon stick, your star spice, and clove, thyme, pepper, orange peel. For me, guys, it's a must. Take your pepper pot to a whole other level. So I had to put that in there. Let this marinate overnight. And then you cook until the meat is nice and tender, and you have that with some nice buttery bread. I'll leave the link for that in the description box as well. Please check that out. Do not forget to subscribe, guys. See y'all on the next video. Bye bye.